Nyansa yefeni nyansa ebini utim. You are smart, but you are not intelligent. Enti niema binum oho they are difficult for you to understand, Captain. Man how enkasa too much. The issue is you cannot understand the process or the procedure laid on ground to better your life and your children's life. Ontiasie, madreno akeki, you are used to the olden way. Enti nema bi koso a aya na ontiasie, Captain. Koso.
If not for anything, J. Kufuor was a president in this country. And some of these people were ministers under him. Some of them were governors. Some of them were MCs. Some of them were DCs. Some of them were ministers, cabinet ministers. No munyansa to me to say contain the consul. It is a
Captain. I say you contradict yourself. As someone can say actually when Kufuor was the president, these people were working under Kufuor, and according to your own words, they performed better. They did a good job. And why are you now insulting them? Is it because you are collect money from John Mahama and the NDC? Why? Are they not the same people that you are talking about? Why are you now so angry on them like that? You know, my dear, and now people be on one farm on Captain. Huh? And now of anything, service passport now, you free some no. Ashiru Ebeshiwache. Ghana is not for one person, Ghana is for all Ghanaians. Huh? Land cruiser no, yen to be man be one. This is my how and a better amount. Yeah, you are free pay will be so and Captain. These are the questions that I want to ask you. Yeah, you are free pay will be so and huh? Captain, so answer no one. Yes.
Vice President Nankasa say, Nipa 6 million pen or more Ghana card. And then you are telling me to be Ghana card. Masmo Same Mame. Even the 6 million, Opa Google says here, National Identification Authority website say, any part of those saying when we more card, they've registered about 6 million. They have registered about you know your phone in Google. Everybody Google. We are screenshots enough for how many Ghanaians?
10. Enam sabio propaganda ajiu tinti unti amamu ase. Wono woye low level radio presenter unti amamu ase. Hunim kwa yefa so a yehwe nipa dom so. Unti ase. You don't know that has no betimi ahye nipa amana niema no. Haje se wodi ohu. Eye den eka na chi. Enipa binum te se won supo na omo atu omo ho asi ho se aban ka asem a mo be kan asem foforo akire Ghana fo no. Because of you people. Aban ntimi enyi na ni kwa akwa nkese koye Ghana card na asa. Wo se ye ma obre. Ye ma pressure. Because we are wanipia Ghana for ma. Ya so edne. And I wonder why. Said you will see a position or home. When you first position or home as an intelligent person, you did believe, say, Minister for Communication was going to authorize the telcos to cancel SIM cards. I wonder why. We actually prefer say your level of comprehension is very low, and your knowledge in politics is very low. Captain, I'm sorry, but I gotta tell you this. You don't know what you're talking about. You don't know what is about governance. Who do you know say, but you don't know how we manage to control people. You don't know that. You don't know. And your fault, why, Captain? Yeah, your fault. You cross the same no, and I do him too much.
Yeah, maybe phone me Google, also Google. And then Vice President na mu na akra no. Wasan bon aka ho.
Captain, before you go forward, Mami Kenya says, se unima yeka obusiamfo nyina omuti eboma omunyansa enuru the quarter of His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Adjuna. Mabusiamfo yeka omunyina tiboma enuru even a quarter of His Excellency Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Adjuna. Now when your fault, yangu ye enintia wadwene na cake minim sapetese na adọọso wa brabo mu se ensambe na ono because say no untumi no nsa papa, so you would drink like apetese that ensansa basabasa no na ono ntia na bofa team captain so enyansa o now adwene that Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia team who will be a nkene se ji se ukoleke the bat of John Mahama and when you be an huh? Captain, you are not even stable with your mindset. And now John Pukoha, now China was stop what John Pukoha. Who mo no be country will be say wa bon. Chemidinti also wa bon. Me party. The one Kenyans are some more higher over to the captain.
They say I register 16 million. Tell me you Ghana for. They say I register 16 million. You can see I issue card. 16 million I issue register. Yesterday I met a chief inspector of the Ghana Police Service. I will new plan. Information now more enter any year wrong. Woman correct me for the card man. Almost say there be free.
Sase mo ya kwa we kan intro. So ya no ti o. Okasa na wadi intro. Okasa na okuku anansi story bi na wa bo ahyem. We these are the way akwa we ye. Na ode twe nipa omo adwene no esua no. Ode twe omo di na chi. Asem okay ye to hwenani intro no di. Odi intro. Nipa bai na be kan kire wo se. Ye fro kwaku. Ye tire ya ne quack enti no yi unu free udin so na udin san fo ku na menye quack captain
ye pom buwi ne de man no atobe sen kakra akoma ya anu mawe asa we wie ye be san ato abana man because ye jimi ye nim nyansa ye pa ne be sen development bia because so a emfa ye ho tamale beda ho interchange ma ho da nana do hu tamale mobonko ye interchange wo MPP government haruna dusu be kache ze interchange no de traffic kura batamale ama tamale afi de ho chechen kane no nipa wi mamofo wi na mo boni dia wa se honorable my foot honorable ben onu ahwan bu onu abode ti ebesere nana say kiseja ben untimi nya adwuma no we are proving beyond reasonable doubt untimi nya obeya nko aye ebepem ne tafre ko untimi frɛ no mbechi no e ma ye hu de ekɔ enti ama